Welcome YouTube. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our RV, our Class B Plus RV, and we're out boondocking in Colorado, and I'm making coffee with my Delta Pro solar generator, and this is just a pour over coffee. So my wife and I used to own a coffee shop, and we really like to pour over, and we use a solar generator to heat up the water, and it's very quick, very beneficial. But I wanted to give you just a quick tour of how our RV is set up when we're boondocking or camping. This is what it looks like. So this is Sally, our dog, great fox terrier. But we have our bed up. Spent the night here last night boondocking, Dispersed Camping in Colorado, and as you can see, we have plenty of room in a B Plus RV. Beauty is that you can park it anywhere, and when you get to your destination, you can pull out the slide, which is how we have it configured now. So I'll show you. This is the bathroom area, shower. Took a shower this morning. We store our water and extra things in our shower. That's it. Yeah, it's small, but it's enough to, to do whatever you need to do in there. Plenty of space with the slide out. Our bed folds up. It's folded up right now, but when it comes down at nighttime, it's a queen size bed, so plenty of room there. One of my favorite features is the moon window, or the moon light, skylight, I guess you would call it. That brings in a lot of extra light during the day. Summertime it heats up, so it's not the best at that time, but the rest of the year having that skylight is great. You can see the stars at night and brings in a lot of light during the day. So there's our compartments for storage. This is what we use for organizing the items, so you're not pulling out individual items. I have my hotspot and my antenna for internet. I can pull or turn around both of these chairs to sit. I just pull around one normally. I have two TVs. We have solar power and we have a generator. We have a microwave, and our refrigerator runs off propane, 30 amp power, or 12 volt from our batteries. Here's some of how we organize things. We use these bins a lot. And our dog bowl. Pretty much most everything fits the way we need it to. This is kind of a neat thing. My wife sticks these to the countertop. Well, some of them stick on, it's like gum. And it sticks to the counter that way. She just leaves them up even when we travel. We put our silverware, pots and pans down here. Cooking supplies. There's Sally. And our trash. I have my Roku up here. That's pretty cool. So as long as you have internet, you have all the TV you want. Cable. Refrigerator, as I mentioned. These are all our plastic wrap and forks, plastics, utensils. This is all our coffee stuff. And all our clothes are in here, with a closet back in here. I'll show you that. closet and our bed. So plenty of what we need in this RV. There's storage under here too. That's our dog food and extra toaster and other things. And one of the big things that a lot of people don't know, and I did not know this until later, that there is massive storage underneath these seats. So you take out these cushions, put them here, and normally these are screwed down, so you don't normally have access to it, but we found a lot more storage underneath the seats, and that's underneath both seats. So that is really helpful, having that. You just have to be careful with the wires down below. Make sure you don't bother anything down there. But really easy to get to. And just put the seat back. But as I said, that's under both seats. So be aware of that. Maybe in your RV you have room under there that you didn't even know. I did not know that. I think I was watching another YouTuber talk about it, and having the room underneath there and there added a lot of extra space for shoes and coats in the wintertime, many other things. So one of the other nice things about this RV is it's got USB. It doesn't have an inverter, but you always have power through USB. So I don't quite understand that yet, but we keep our hotspot plugged into that USB, and you can charge your phone that way too. Seems to be a little slower than using the solar generator, solar battery, but pretty handy to always have around, as you can see. You know, just keeping our hotspot plugged in. On top of the roof, this is AT&T hotspot, and we are getting internet out in the middle of nowhere right now. But we also have Verizon, a Verizon device above on top of the RV, and we're able to get internet with that too. And when you're working, you want to have at least two opportunities for internet access, a redundant system. So when AT&T is not working, then I could use Verizon, which is on top of the roof, which is part of the RV build. And I think it's called WineGuard. Yeah, WineGuard, I believe. And you just plug in a data card from Verizon into the WineGuard on the roof of the RV, and then you have Verizon. So now I have AT&T and Verizon. And this is our panel where everything is controlled with RV Master. And I can control the lights. I have all the tanks, the power, the climate, the water pump. You know, pretty much all the controls for the RV. Pretty helpful to have that. Aside from the lithium batteries, but I added a Victron Connect device that will help me determine exactly what my battery power percent is. And the Victron is just more accurate than the RV Master. As you can see from this, it gives you, your current state of charge. I think it was at 65%. And a lot more detail about how much energy you're using, how much battery charge you're using. So we're at 65%. We've been here roughly 24 hours now. And as you can tell, we've got all our lights on. So it will last, I think, somewhere on here it tells you another day. It's a little bit hard to read at the moment. But it'll probably go for another day, day and a half, if we didn't charge at all, and if we didn't have any solar coming in. Today is cloudy out. You may be able to see that through the window. Look, so probably not going to get much solar today, but if we really need power, all I have to do is start up the generator, and that is right here. So just start the generator and we'll be good. That's it for now. Just a quick tour. This is our kayak, inflatable kayak we mentioned. I can turn that chair around if I need to. Then we have multiple seating, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, you could fit 8 people in here sitting down. So that's the big benefit. We have air conditioning too, and vents. So this RV, B plus RV, we like it for 2 of us. We can go anywhere and do just about anything with it. Of course, you always want more room. That would be nice to have. But the fact that we can fit anywhere and we have all that we need is a big benefit. So that was just a tour of our B plus RV, and hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more to come, and we'll talk to you soon. Please subscribe. It'll help my channel out quite a bit. And like this video if you would. That would help out a lot. More to come. This is Sally, our dog, in case I haven't mentioned. Great dog. So stay tuned for more videos about our adventures in the Class B Plus RV. Take care. Goodbye.